Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start. Mark, look at this building.
It is very big.
Yes, it is beautiful.
I love the white columns.
Me too. They are very tall.
Is this the right museum?
Yes, I have the map.
Good. I am excited.
Me too. Let's go inside.
Wait, let me take a photo.
Okay, I will wait here.
Thank you. Ready, let's go.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. 2 tickets, please.
Of course, adult tickets?
Yes, 2 adults.
That is 20 euros, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Is there a map inside?
Yes, here is a free map.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Enjoy the museum.
Thank you. We will. Wow. Look at this room.
It is very quiet here.
Yes, and very beautiful.
The walls are so white.
Look at the gold frames.
They are very shiny.
The paintings are big.
Yes, very, very big.
I love the light in here.
It is soft and warm.
Where do we start?
Let's start here at this painting.
Look at all the blue.
Yes, so many blues.
Dark blue, light blue.
And pale blue, too.
What do you see in the painting?
I see the sea.
Yes, a calm sea.
And a small boat.
I see stars in the sky.
The sky is very dark.
It feels very peaceful.
Yes, I like this painting very much.
Now look at this one.
Oh, many colors.
What colors do you see?
I see red and orange,
Yes, good. What else?
yellow, bright yellow,
Yes, it is a garden.
with many flowers,
The sun is yellow here.
and the flowers are red.
This painting feels warm.
Yes, like a sunny day.
Look, this painting is very old.
How old is it?
The label says 500 years.
500 years.
Yes, it is from 1520.
That is amazing.
Look at the woman.
She looks very calm.
Her dress is dark.
And the background is brown.
Old paintings use dark colors.
I think she looks beautiful.
Let's sit here for a minute.
Good idea. My feet are tired.
Mine too.
This room is very calm.
Yes, I love it here.
What is next on the map?
The sculpture room.
Oh, I want to see that.
Me too. After we rest.
Are you writing in your notebook?
Yes, new words. Blue, red, gold.
Good idea. I will do that too.
Wow, look at all the sculptures.
They are all white.
White marble.
They look very smooth.
And very real.
Look at this one. It is a person.
She looks like she is dancing.
Yes, her arms are up.
The detail is amazing.
How do they make this?
with stone and tools, very slowly.
Like painting, but with stone.
What do you think of this one?
I don't understand it.
What do you see?
A red circle, a black line.
Yes, and a yellow square.
Is this art?
Yes, it is modern art.
But what does it mean?
That is the question.
Maybe it means nothing?
Or maybe it means everything.
That is very confusing, but interesting.
Oh, I love this postcard.
Which one?
The blue sea painting.
Yes, that is a good one.
I will send it to my mother.
Good idea. She will love it.
What are you looking at?
This notebook. It has a painting on it.
Oh, it is beautiful.
I will use it for my English words.
Perfect. Are you going to buy it?
Yes, I think so.
This coffee is delicious.
Yes, and the cake is very good.
I am tired but happy.
Me too. My favorite was the blue painting.
Really? Mine was the sculpture room.
The dancing woman.
Yes, she was beautiful.
We learned many new words today.
Blue, red, calm, frame, sculpture.
And peaceful. I love that word.
Peaceful. Yes, this cafe is peaceful.
Like the whole museum.
What a beautiful museum.
I will never forget today.
Me too. It was so special.
I learned so many words.
Blue, gold, frame, peaceful, marble.
And sculpture. Don't forget sculpture.
Yes, sculpture.
I want to come back.
Me too. Maybe next week.
Next week in Paris.
Yes, why not?
I love Paris. And I love art.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.